WWE Royal Rumble 2020 match card and result. Shorty G versus Sheamus. The winner of this match was Sheamus. Andrade with Selena Vega versus Humberto Carrillo for the United States Champion. The winner of this match retained the United States Champion Andrade. Roman Reigns versus King Corbin. The winner of this match was Roman Reigns. Women's Royal Rumble match. This match included Carmella, Sarah Logan, Nikki Cross, Charlotte Flair, Natalya, Alexa Bliss, Dana Brooke, and 23 more women. The winner of this match, entering at number 27, last eliminating Shayna Baszler, was Charlotte Flair. Bayley versus Lacey Evans for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the SmackDown Women's Champion, was Bayley. The Fiend Bray Wyatt versus Daniel Bryan for the Universal Champion. The winner of the match, retaining the Universal Champion, was The Fiend Bray Wyatt. Becky Lynch versus Asuka for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the Raw Women's Champion, was Becky Lynch. Oh, Lord Jesus. Sorry about this interruption. I'm just trying to make this video and this happens. Sorry about the interruption. The men's 2020 World Rumble match. This match included Eric Rowan, AJ Styles, Randy Orton, King Corbin, Braun Strowman, Brock Lesnar, Roman Reigns, Shinsuke Nakamura, Dolph Ziggler, Rey Mysterio, Ricochet, and Drew McIntyre, and 18 more wrestlers. The winner of this match, and number 16, last eliminated Roman Reigns, was Drew McIntyre. That's all for Royal Rumble 2021. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.